Ready to ditch your wallet and pay for PS5 games directly from your Cash App balance? Let's break down if that's even possible. Alright, fire up your PS5. Head over to the PlayStation Store icon on the home screen and select it. Once you're in the PlayStation Store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it to bring up the keyboard. Type in PlayStation Store gift card. You can also search for PS in card too. Select any gift card amount you desire to purchase, and then add it to cart. On the payment option page, select redeem codes and gift cards. This is where the magic happens. Now, grab your phone and open the Cash App. You'll need to use your Cash App balance to buy a PlayStation Store gift card from a retailer, such as Amazon, Walmart, Target, or even directly from the PlayStation Store website on your phone. After purchasing the gift card, you'll receive a code. Go back to your PS5 and carefully enter that code into the redeem code section we found earlier. That's it. The gift card value will be added to your PlayStation Network wallet. Now you can use those funds to purchase games, DLC, or subscriptions directly through the PlayStation Store.